Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows shortcut keys stopped working but works for new user. Type Regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand H key current user, click and expand software, click and expand Microsoft, click and expand Windows. Click and expand current version, click and expand policies, click Explorer. Create new DWord 32-bit value named as no WinKeys, change value data to 0. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.